What? Sherman, out of the way. Sherman. What do you want? No. No. It's not 9 p.m. No. It's 1 p.m. It's not time yet. No. Are you getting Alzheimer's? Are you getting Alzheimer's? What? It's not time? No, it's not time yet. You think I should spoil you? Why? What? Because your tongue is sticking out, you should get some? What? What do you want? You're moving too fast for the camera. You want treats? Show everybody. You want treats? Where are the treats? Show Cat. What do you do when you want treats? Huh? Show Cat. What do you do when you want treats? Sherman! Oh, see, now you got the other one going. Sherman, your ass is in the way. You want treats? Ralphie, you want treats, buddy? Where are you? You want treats? Okay, I know it's dark. Just a minute. Come on. Everybody come on. Okay. Everybody. Ralphie, you really want treats? Oh, wow. Ralphie. Hang on. Yeah, Sherman. Ralphie, shake paw. Oh, that's good boy. Other paw. No, that's no. Hang on. Shake. No. Other paw. No, that's high five, buddy. That's high five. High five. Oh, good boy. Okay, get down. Okay, sit. There you go. Sherman. Shit stick. Come here. Sherman. Yes, I know you know how to speak. You speak? Yes. Okay, sit. Sit nice. There you go. Okay, you ready for this? Lay down. Let's play dead. Roll over. Oh, good boy. High five. Good boy. Spin. Shake a paw. No, wait. Shake a paw. That's a good boy. Up. Good boy. Just a minute, Sherman. I know I break yours into pieces. There you go, Sherman. Bruiser. You speak? Oh, that's not loud enough. Louder. There you go. Okay. Sherman. Here, go get yours. I hope you're hearing the noises coming out of this. You're being quiet, Bruiser. Make your usual noises. Is it good, Bruiser? Is it good? Is it good treats? That's a good boy. Okay. We have to change the timestamp on this so Dad doesn't see that you got treats early. Oh, that's good treats. Oh, that's very good treats. Yes, yes, puppies. Yes, yes. It's very good treats. And they're dentabones, so they're good for the teeth. Whatever little teeth you have left. Right? That's right, Purpose. Okay, we'll let you finish in peace. There you go.